Pag natikman, babalik-balikan.
Nano, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Mga Kabalen, for this vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Florida Blanca.
Yes, so specifically, Kenny Wings.
So this is our second time to feature Kenny Wings. First natin is yung sa Angeles branch nila.
Yes.
And soon, hopefully, mapuntahan din natin yung sa Sir Hill, San Fernando naman.
And syempre ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Florida Blanca to taste yung mga unlimited wings nila.
So if you're interested to know more about this restaurant, dito po sa Florida Blanca, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so talking about the place, guys, very similar siya dun sa Angeles branch natin.
Actually, more on industrial type of place, cozy, Instagrammable, and syempre, masarap magstay.
So if I may say, the place can accommodate around 50 persons or more than. No? So si Kenny Wings ay nakilala for, of course, from the name itself, wings. Unlimited wings. They also serve yung mga refreshments such as
Milk tea and fruit juices.
there you go, guys. So we're gonna go to our table and yeah, taste test na natin to. Alright, so as we always say, guys, this is the part na talagang sobrang mag-enjoy kami.
Yes.
And we hope that you experience this as well, no? So if you are near Florida Blanca, Porac,
Lubao.
Santa Rita, Lubao, or Guagua, napaka-accessible po nito kasi nga located lang siya dito sa
Galaxy Plaza Event
Galaxy
Center.
Plaza Event
Yan.
Center.
So,
Yan.
kumbaga lumapit na yung Kenny Wings sa mga taga Florida Blanca.
Yes, so your request has been granted. Very soon, they're still looking for other places.
Like around Mabalacat or somewhere na mas mapapalapit kayo.
Exactly. So make sure to follow them sa Facebook fan page nila if you want to stay updated sa mga announcement, promos. So what do we have on our table, bro?
So on our table, so syempre di mawawala dyan yung unlimited wings natin. So meron tayong 9 flavors na pagpipilian. Meron din tayong cheese quesadilla, chicken fajitas, meron din tayong burger syempre, yung kanilang classic chicken burger.
So let me talk about the flavors that they have here. Meron tayong soy garlic, chili garlic, honey mustard, buffalo barbecue, garlic mayo, teriyaki, salted egg, and buttered garlic parmesan. So before we get into the mga dishes natin, bro, siguro I'd like to start with our refreshment kasi sobrang init na, no? Summer.
Summer. And syempre masarap dyan yung mga inumin na
Hinahanap
pampalamig.
Exactly. So
akin syempre yung kanilang
ako ito muna.
green apple.
Ating strawberry nila. Ayan. Wow, it is so refreshing. Grabe. After a long drive, probably, no? So, ang init ng nasa daan ngayon. So, what a great way to reward yourself are
Through the refreshment.
through the refreshment. So, I'm gonna go first. So, siguro before sa mga wings natin, itong fajitas nila.
Ako siguro yung ano yung chicken burger.
Okay, so fajitas. When we were in Angeles City, ayan, yung nung feature natin yung branch nila doon, I kumbaga witnessed personally how they prepared this. So ano ka talaga. This is really mouth-watering if you know this, guys. There, oh.
So ito naman yung kanilang chicken burger, yung classic chicken burger nila. And imagine, this is only for 75 pesos.
Yung fajitas nila, it is so flavorful. So a little bit of spiciness, medyo meron siyang konting kick. But what I love about it is, yun nga, I love strong flavors. So, mostly yung mga nakikita ko dito, guys, of course, it's unlimited, no?
Yes.
They take advantage of talagang mabubusog ka. So, dito, you can order your rice as well.
Yes.
no?
So yung rice, yung chicken unlimited. So for as low as 299 pesos, paniguradong susulitin mo.
So, just add 51 pesos. You're gonna get a cooler such as this. So, 350 pesos lang.
Yes.
Unlimited chicken wings plus cooler.
So, if ever din nyo naman kaya yung unlimited,
Yes.
so meron din tayo dito yung mga a la carte na meals nila. So, this is a 6 pieces chicken wings for only 155 pesos.
Napakasulit talaga, guys. So, I mean, yung mga taga Florida Blanca, for sure, may enjoy nila yung mga ganitong unlimited. And very few yung mga restaurant dito sa Florida that actually serve these kinds of deals. So, if you don't know kung ano yung o-orderin yung flavor dito, they recommend yung salted egg.
If naman ikaw yung mahilig sa mga spicy,
Yes.
syempre yung kanilang buffalo wings.
Wow.
In fairness,
So,
may kick yung
yeah.
kanilang buffalo wings.
Yeah, although may kick, no, it's actually mild spiciness. Tolerable talaga siya for non-spicy person. Wow, so we still have a lot of flavors to taste. Pero ako nag-enjoy talaga ako dun sa mga ano nila. Dito yung mga spicy. Yes.
Ang katanda ko pong mga Kenny Wings located here in Galaxy Plaza and Event Center, Florida Blanca. We are open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes, mga kabalin, pasyal po kayo rito sa amin. Sigurado magugustuhan nyo ang place dito sa Galaxy Plaza and Event Center. More parking at ang ambience po napakaganda. Sinisigurado namin na masatisfy kayo sa lasa. The best chicken wings in Pampanga. Siguradong babalik-balikan nyo dito sa Kenny Wings.
Yun guys, if you want to be part of the growing family of Kenny Wings,
Yes.
they are actually looking for you. So if you're interested to partner with them through franchising,
So you can message their Facebook fan page.
Yeah.
So Kenny Wings. So
or we can provide the number you can call dun sa caption natin below.
yes.
Alright, so I guess no, we aren't gonna bore you long guys. We're still gonna have a lot of food to finish. But siguro we're gonna highlight the last milk tea we're gonna try. So this one is a dark chocolate. Ayan. And then this one naman is Okinawa.
Sa akin naman yung kanilang salted caramel and yung taro.
Whoa. Alright, so once again guys, if you like the food you saw in this video or natakam ka sa mga unlimited wings and mga other Mexican food na available dito, make sure to give this video a like, share this with your friends, and if you're near Florida Blanca, make sure to check out Kenny Wings. If you're interested to do business naman sa kanila, make sure to call them and do
Right,
franchise.
so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.
Sa
Sa Kenny Wings, pag natikman, babalik-balikan.